So I got a couple of things in the mail from Amazon today. One thing I want to show you, which is pretty cool, are these grab handles that go on the, what is going on with this package? So one thing, got these pretty cool grab handles, and I'll show them to you in just a second. It looks like the manufacturer sent some cards and some other products that they sell. And let's see what else here. Oh, well, it's just stuff. They just sell a bunch of different things. Now let's get these handles out and see what we can do here. Lots of packaging, which is good. It protects the item while it comes to you. Oh yeah, these look pretty good. They're made of a fiber reinforced nylon, so they're very lightweight and very strong. And the hardware is very well made at that as well. Lots of directions for different things that they make on both sides, so be sure and read it. Maybe you'll see another product that you like. All the pieces you get are very good quality. Doesn't seem to be, cheaply made and just to sell on Amazon. Goes together real easy. Looks like this is going to be a pretty simple job. Pretty self-explanatory. So let's go out to the truck and check it out. They fit on real easy onto the post that hold your headrest up. And you just push it down and there you have it. And they seem really strong. You'd have to really be doing some crazy four-wheeling to need something like that to grab onto, but it will help you get in the car, and also can be used to, I guess you can put some carabiners on it and hang a bag or two. These seem very strong and have many uses. I'll provide a link in the description if you want to check them out. Thanks for watching.